Today, unfortunately, when planning a new house or renovation or deciding to make improvements to existing homes, we tend to forget that these spaces have to be cleaned.
Questi ambienti poi vanno puliti.
If we don't think about this at the design stage, so if we don't include an integrated system, a central vacuum system, we are forced to use palliatives afterwards. These palliatives are cordless vacuums, robots, vacuum cleaners. No house is born without designing a heating system because, if we forget a heating system, when winter comes, the house will be cold and uninhabitable. We may not even design a heating system, and we will be forced to get a space heater. The electric radiator warms, but it does not have the same effect as a heating system. We can make the same argument for cleaning. If we don't design a cleaning system, we are forced to buy household appliances, albeit good and of good brands, but they will still be a palliative. A central vacuum system is made up as follows. A central vacuum unit is installed in a technical room, in a place where it doesn't cause a nuisance, such as the garage, the cellar, the balcony, and so on. From the central vacuum unit, a PVC pipe network starts, which passes either under the floor or in the false ceiling, and inside the house we will only have some vacuum inlets that perfectly integrate with the domestic series, so that, even aesthetically speaking, these vacuum inlets disappear. Now, once the system has been set up, the user only needs to insert the flexible hose into the inlet and from there do the cleaning. Why is this different from the household appliances we all know? Because when it does the cleaning, the dirt enters into the pipe network and arrives to the central vacuum unit. When it arrives at the central vacuum unit, there is a filter that filters the air and the dirt that has come into the vacuum cleaner, and the heavier part, meaning the dust, the true dirt, falls into the container of the central vacuum unit, while the lighter part, namely the micro dust, the ones really dangerous for health, is expelled outside. So, here you vacuum and expel it outside. As opposed to household appliances that here vacuum and here put it back into the room. Everyone can have a central vacuum cleaner system. Sistem Air has a complete product range to meet the needs from studio apartments up to penthouses and even up to industries.
Fino all'industria.